welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make this East Coast favorite. It is Clams Casino, but we added a little twist. Instead of baking the clams in the shell, we went ahead and added it with pasta. Anyway, let's get cooking.
All right, guys, today we're gonna do Clams Casino over bucatini pasta. We have all our ingredients here, white wine. We also have some chopped clams in a can, mostly for the juice. And then we have fresh little neck clams, tomatoes, bacon, parsley, garlic, shallots, breadcrumbs, and we're gonna start off by frying the bacon first. All right, we're gonna just go ahead and
Dice it up.
and chop our bacon. I don't know if we're gonna need this much, but just want to give it some flavor. Give me a spoon, I don't want to stick it.
Bacon. This is Leo, folks. Leonardo. All right, I just went ahead and cleaned the cutting board. You didn't know I was also the dishwasher.
Bacon is almost ready. We're gonna cut up a little bit of shallots right now.
You know, if it's got bacon, it's got to be good.
We're gonna go ahead and fry onions and shallots and garlic for a couple of minutes. Then we're gonna add the clams and the white wine and kind of let them steam for a little bit.
Beautiful.
Now we're gonna throw the clams in there. They're beautiful, man. Look at the size of these little necks. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our clams in. Now we're going to put a little white wine in there and cover it up and let them steam.
Perfecto. Let them open up.
All right, guys, we're going to toast some breadcrumbs here. And a little butter and garlic. All right, I'm gonna toast the breadcrumbs. All right. I got a little bit of plain breadcrumbs here. I'm gonna put like, I don't know, maybe half a cup, because we're just gonna mix it in the... Put a little Parmesan cheese in there.
Nice.
This is ready.
All right.
All right, look at that, man. The clams are ready. Some of them are not open yet. The big ones are...
They're putting up a fight.
But look at that nice size right there.
Oh, man. Look at that's a beautiful clam right there.
Now we're going to let this get some of the juice that cook out of there. All right, also, guys, we're going to add a little canned baby clams.
Oh, yeah. Can you imagine the size of those shells? How small they are? Look at those little baby clams.
See that? I didn't even put any salt in there.
You don't eat salt, right?
No way, man. All right, we got a little oregano here.
The beach.
We got a little bit of thyme here.
We got all the time in the world.
We got some red pepper. What are you, a comedian? You can always add, I won't put that much, but I will put extra in mine, as usual. All right, let's put some tomatoes in there.
Hey, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there. We have over 250 video recipes. It also helps our channel out. We appreciate it.
Yeah, we need all the help we can get. No.
It's that or he becomes a comedian.
Yeah, it's easy. Need a bigger boat. Step down would say.
Parsley in there. We're gonna take these off the heat.
Yeah, until the pasta's cooked. All right, we're gonna cook the pasta.
Bucatini. Let our pasta get cooking. I'm gonna put a couple of pats of butter in there too. Unsalted butter. Let that build up. All right, we're just gonna heat these up a little bit. These clams are, they're good. Let's try one. All right, you know what? We're ready.
Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up. How you like our new bowl? New pasta bowl.
That's my pasta bowl.
Dominic is very passionate about his pasta bowls.
Yes, it is.
Yes, I am. Go ahead, load it up, man.
This is good right now. I don't want to do too much. All right, let's put some of these clams on there. Oh yeah, put some more of that sauce on there. Smells delicious. Absolutely wonderful. All right, one more clam on there, and we'll put the rest in the pot. Put some more juice on there. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add the breadcrumb, some Parmesan cheese. And then we'll go ahead and line up the plate.
Parsley. I'm gonna put the rest of this in the pot.
All right.
Now we're cooking. Very nice. Beautiful.
All right, let's give it the old taste test. See how Chef Dominic did.
Good.
I know it's good. I've had it before. Wow. Very good. Now let me taste one of these clams here. Very good. The sweetness of the clams, the savoriness of the bacon. Now,
Very good.
And the crispiness of the Parmesan cheese and the breadcrumbs really sets this dish off. Anyway, if you want to get a Brooklyn Brothers shirt or cutting board or apron, visit our website, brooklynbrotherscooking.com. Anyway, you got anything to say?
Bye.
Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate it.
Thank you. Take care, guys.
Take care.